ships on vigor of the waves are skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning. Rise and reign.
Hey fellow wood shavers, Leroy here. Nomeo Shaves back with a non-shaving video. How is everybody? I've mentioned before in the past that I was gonna make an attempt to restore a razor. This is the razor. This is something that I picked up at a antique shop. I think I paid $28 for this in Oregon. Not too bad. There's no markings on it. See there, this side too. No markings. Assume it's Sheffield steel. Maybe, I have no idea the date. Could be 1900s, could be 1950s. No clue. But I felt it was in pretty decent shape. Let's see if you guys can see. It's a near wedge. Probably 3/4, right? Not very heavy, not very wide blade, but I really like the grind. I think this would be a good shaver. It's in really good shape. I think this needs to be some cleaning up on the scales. You guys can see that. I think this right here is just a little bit of dirt. Forgive me, I'm not looking in the camera, just trying to look at the razor here so I can give you guys a good description. So these are horn scales. I think it's all original. You see, you guys can see I believe that's a lead wedge, which is kind of cool. The pin does need to be tightened. You guys can see that. So I will try to make an attempt on tightening it without cracking the scales. So we'll see how it goes. The blade looks to be in pretty decent condition. There's a bit of, you guys can see there's some scratches, right? There's no way I'm going to be able to polish all those out, but I'm going to give it the old college try, you know. A little bit of, looks like some surface rust right here. There's no pitting that I can see, which is good. Mostly just scuffs. Who knows, maybe this was buffed down at one time. No idea. But yeah, we're gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. What am I gonna be using? That's the thing, right? So I don't have a whole lot here. Got a toothbrush to try to scrape off some of that dirt, which I think this right here is the dirt. Let's see if I can scrape off some of that. Oh, maybe not. Yep, some stuff came off. So yeah, it's just some dirt. All right, so we got a toothbrush. I'll probably use some warm water and some soapy water just to kind of give it a good scrubbing. Going with the Mother's aluminum polish. I've experimented a little bit with this and it works pretty well. And then steel wool quadruple 0. And of course some rags. So that's all I have. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna grab some coffee. I'm gonna make my attempt to record the entire process. You know, I probably won't record 100% of it, but at least I'll try to record the nitty-gritty, you know, just like the meat and potatoes of this whole thing. So we'll see how it goes. All right, wish me luck. See you guys in the next clip. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm kind of back. So I just wanted to get a little bit more footage of the shape of the blade and the different just the scuffs and dirt and whatever you guys want to call it. Just try to document it the best I can. I tried taking some pictures, but they didn't come out very well. So let's see here. Not too bad. Let's see. Like I said, it's in really good shape. Let's see here. It's like there's probably not a whole lot of wear along the back of the spine. Looks fairly even and straight. I'm going to do my best to record the honing process as well for you guys. Yep, so there's the scales. Hopefully I don't do anything dumb. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see the edge here. Let me see if I can get a close-up of the edge. See, no pitting? I mean, obviously, there's a little bit of an edge there, but I mean, not too bad. So, yeah. All right. Now, just a quick little warning. The camera angle is going to get really weird. I don't have a very good setup. You know, this is usually just for shaving videos, not stuff like this. So, I have the mount attached to something on my kitchen table, so I'm afraid there's going to be some shaking going on. Right? So we'll see how it goes. All right. Again, see you guys in the next clip. Bye. All right, so here we are. Actually, I kind of changed my mind a little bit about using soap. I have this alcohol wipe that I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to use it to really clean all the dirt off the scales here a little bit, okay? So here we go. This is the first part of it. So I hope you're not shaking too bad. Yeah, I was thinking, see, there we go. See, you can see some of that stuff coming off. Yeah, I'm just kind of probably taking a risk here. I just hope the scale doesn't dry out. You guys know what I mean. And then what I can do, hopefully to shine it up a little bit, maybe take a little bit of the steel wool and just give it a really good cleaning. But this looks like it's working out pretty good. Yeah, I apologize for the shaking, guys. Shoot, I don't have, like I said, I don't have a very good setup. Yeah, it's actually cleaning up really nice. Yeah, I've been doing a little bit of research. Something that's really good for these scales is it neem oil or neat's foot oil? One of those two. Let's see here. All right, we're gonna open this guy up a little bit. See if I can't get this in between the scales here. Give me 1 second. I was going to get some more coffee, but I forgot. Yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a long time. Let's see if I can move this back. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see. I got the camera down at an angle. It's really difficult to see on my end. I can see what I'm doing, but I can't really see the camera. Oh, yeah, look at that. Huh. Pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, I'll tell you what, this is good enough for government work, that's for sure. Yeah, it's lots and lots of years of dirt buildup in there, boy. Sheesh. Like I said, I have no idea the date on this. I posted it in a Facebook group and no one seemed to respond. It's kind of hard to tell, I think, without any markings, but it's okay. As long as it holds an edge, that's all I care about. Yeah, there we go. Huh, hey, I'm impressed already. Sweet. Yeah. Cool. That is, wow, that cleaned up really, really, really nice. Almost brand new. Yeah, almost. Right, I'm just kind of, oh, you can't see. Just gonna clean around the pin area a little bit. Just try to get some of that green stuff off. That corrosion. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's like, maybe I'll fast forward some of the parts. Maybe I'll add music. I don't know. I kind of want to do my best to put some care into this. You know what I mean? Could be fun. Right. Right. So I think that's good. A little bit more right here. Let's see. Yeah, you guys can still see. Yeah, there's some little bit of, oh shoot, sorry guys. Stuff up here. These little alcohol wipes I can get from work. They're really, really nice. They're great for cleaning up stuff around the house. You know, wiping down your phone or your computer, mouse. It's nice. probably take out my contacts so I can see a little bit better. Yeah, that sounds kind of weird, huh? With contacts in, I can't see as close, if that makes any sense. Like, I have trouble seeing far, so my contacts will correct for that, but it kind of affects my close-up vision a little bit. Okay, you guys can still see, kinda, yeah. Nice, alright, so I think I got the scales cleaned up pretty good. Let me see if I can't clean up a little bit with the alcohol here. Yeah, none of that stuff is coming off. Okay. At least I'm killing some germs, right? All right. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just I'm gonna stop right there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and stop right there, and then I'm gonna stop the clip, and then I'll get my other stuff ready, and then I think I'm gonna start with some of the mothers and maybe the steel wool. See how it goes. All right, be right back. All right, so I've got the mothers here. Take it out, put it up for you. I find this pretty impressive. So, all right, I'm just gonna take a Q-tip. I'm gonna show you how fast this stuff works and how good it is. Okay, so clean Q-tip. All right. Oh, you see that I've experimented on a different razor before. Okay, just put a little bit on there, right? See that? All right, it's probably more than a little bit, but we're just gonna do this. This stuff is pretty crazy. It works really well. So you can see I'm just doing a little bit, right? Oh, dang, I'm shaking too much. Sorry, guys. And then, look at that. Nasty, huh? So I like to just go over it with a Q-tip first, see how much I can take off with just the Q-tip. In my mind, I try to start with the least abrasive as possible, if that makes any sense. Just to see how much I can get away with without... I don't want to take off metal. Right, let's see where we're at. Oh, let me pause this and go get a paper towel. Okay, not a paper towel, but like a napkin here. Let's see. Not bad. Got a little bit of a shine to it. A little bit of a shine. Not too bad. Cool. I'm going to have to work a little harder to try to get into the little nooks and crannies down here, but I don't know if I need the steel wool now. Let's see. All right, a little bit more. We'll concentrate on this area here. Oop, any more. Try to get that heel cleaned up really well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go with the steel wool. It's coming off a little bit. Yeah, look at that. That's crazy, huh? Dang. Fun. I thought about, you know, just getting like a lot of razors from eBay and seeing what I can do to Bless you. Alright guys, so just a little bit of an update. I've been working on this side a little bit, just with the mothers and the Q-tip. I made some progress, I think. I've got this little bit of dark color, like a black rust, down right here on the heel a little bit. Haven't been able to get that with the Q-tip and mothers, so I may have to go something a little bit stronger. I haven't done much on this side yet. Let me see if I can show you guys what I got here. Also, right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a line. I hope it's not a crack. Because it's kind of the same spot on both sides. I didn't see that before, but we're just going to run with it and see what happens. So what I'll do is I'm going to bust out those steel wool, and I just kind of want to work on the spine a little bit. You can see it's pretty scratched up and stuff, you know. So, and this is the steel wool right here, really soft. So what I'll do is I'll cut a piece off, and I'll use a little bit of mothers too, and then I'll just do what I can to just kind of clean this up a little bit, just to shine it up a little bit. I mean, I think it's in pretty good shape. I just want to make it a little bit shiny. I don't know if I'll be able to get to the rust here on the tang. I'm gonna have to probably jerry rig something together so I can get inside there. Like I said, I don't have the, maybe I said this not, I can't remember, but I don't have the tools to take the pin out and repin it. So I'm just gonna do as much as I possibly can. I mean, I'm not gonna sell this. This is a pretty killer looking razor. I like it. So we'll see how it goes. All right. And as you guys can see on this side, there's some more scuffs. So I definitely probably gonna have to use a steel wool on this side to try to get some of those little scratches out. But overall, it's going pretty good. All right, I will be back. All right, let's see if we can tear some of this steel wool. I've got some coffee going, so. All right, nice. Okay. Now what do we got here? Yeah, it's making a mess. That's okay. That's why I have this towel down. I think I told you guys I'm at the kitchen table, so yeah. All right, I'm gonna take some of this Q-tip. I'm gonna get some of the mothers. And let's kind of do this. Oop. Shoot. Alright, let's see what happens. Gotta be careful because it can still cut me pretty bad. Getting some black stuff. Ooh. Let's try something here like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's see. Apologize for not being centered, but I think you guys get the idea of what I'm doing here. Just using the edge of the table to give me some more pressure. Right, let's see what it looks like. Hey, what do you know? Look at that. Huge difference. Huge difference. I feel like didn't quite get over here, but man, I maybe go a little bit more. Right. Let's go. Yeah, that part's gonna be really difficult here. Gonna have to cut the video again. My coffee's almost, or my hot water's almost done. I use a French press for my coffee. That or an espresso. Oh, sorry, I was wiping that off camera. Dude, that looks pretty good. I like it. I like it. See that? Not too bad. Hopefully you guys can see that. Alright. I'll be right back. Hot water's done. Being earlier you heard some noises. My daughter was up. Alright, let's see if I can't try to get some... try to close it. And then just right in here. I can wipe all that stuff off later. Yeah, getting down inside there is going to be a little bit tricky. I need to see if I have something that can get down inside there with the steel wool on it. And obviously I'll have to go through and clean everything up again once I get all this done. And then I can hone it. So what I'll do is I think I'll make 2 videos. I'll piece all these clips together into one video on the restoration process. Then I'll do another on the honing, because I suck at honing still. Cool. Okay, let's dry it off. Well, what do you know? That looks pretty good. Cool. What do you know? Nice. Alright. I don't know how much I want to do to the tang part. Let's see. Maybe I'll just do a little experiment and see how well it cleans up. Alright. So I'll just do this. A little bit of Mother's. Okay. This is before. Let's see. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Again, it's the way I have this mounted on the table. I don't have a professional setup, so just making an attempt to share my restoration with you. Hope you all find this enjoyable. I know there's going to be a lot of skipping around and stuff, but it's okay. Hey, that cleaned up pretty nice. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. I think I can go a little bit more. Yeah, it's shining up really nice. I think I was reading on some forums that some people use like Windex and this kind of steel wool to do some polishing. I think I read that someone did that for the scales. I'm not sure if I want to go that far yet. I kind of like where the scales are right now. I just hope I didn't dry them out. Alright, it's looking pretty good. Look at that. You guys can see the black stuff coming off, right? Oh, look with them. So what I'm doing is kind of going back and forth between this alcohol wipe and then a dry wipe. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. I'm digging it. More of this stuff though. Yeah, cool. Nice. Yeah, I can definitely see the difference here. So I might have to go a little bit more. But you can see where I can't quite reach with the steel wool. I don't know if you guys can see that. There it goes. Maybe like right in there. Kind of, you can see the shine and then it goes dull. So what I can do, get a small piece off here like this. Right? Let's see here. The Q-tip. Yeah, it's definitely, it's helping, but it's also not good for the scale, right? So we'll see. There we go, let's see. Yeah, that helped. Cool. Nice. All right, my coffee is done. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got my coffee, but I've also been kind of working on both sides a little bit, so the first one that I did, it came out really, really nice. I like that. I just started the other side here. So I'll record a little bit more of the process. Oh, I'm out of Q-tips. Dang, I thought I had one more. Oh, yeah, there it is. Sorry guys. So let's see here. Still the same piece of steel wool. A dab will do ya. Works pretty well. I'm liking this. This is fun. I just hope I was able to capture the before, you know, really well. Okay, look at all that. Yeah, I'm kind of starting to get a little bit of stuff inside there. That sucks. Do my best to clean it out though. So I'm just kind of going between the alcohol wipe and the dry wipe just to get all the crud off there from the polishing. Some stuff right there still. Yeah, I mean, it's coming along really well. All right, grab a sip of coffee. Still pretty hot. I like coffee. All right. So next, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start working with steel wool on the side of the blade here. That's going to be a little bit more tricky. So what I think what I'll do, I'll start on the side with the most scuffs, and then we'll see where we go from there. All right. All right. Let's see here. So let me put the blade away from me. You guys can see. Hopefully, you guys can see the process really well. I don't know if there's a right way or a wrong way. I'm sure there's a better way to do all this, but this is what I have to work with. So let's just see what happens. And I want to make sure I get close to the edge too. Let me see if I can't put it over here like this a little bit, right? I'm going to put the scale off to the side a little bit so it doesn't put too much pressure on it, if you guys know what I mean. Yeah, it kind of sucks. The steel wool is kind of grabbing at my cloth here, my hand towel. Sorry for the shaking. It's gonna be happening a lot. All right, let me see what it looks like. Probably gonna have to get another alcohol wipe soon. Not too bad. Not too much of an improvement yet. I don't know how far I can go with this steel wool. You know what I mean? Before I need something harsher. But like I said, there's not a whole lot of pitting in here. So, yeah. Yeah, I have to clean this up a bit better. Cleaning up really nice though. I'm pretty happy. It's almost good enough to start sharpening. You know? Shoot. So I'm gonna try to, I don't know how to do this, but I was gonna try to clean the tip a bit. Try to get closer here, or more centered. So I'm pulling away from the edge, right? So I don't want to try to dig the edge into the steel wool. Yeah, it's gonna take a lot. Add some others to it then. I know the tip's probably not as important, but at least I can give it a try. pin holds okay. There's definitely room for improvement though. A little bit. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see it. I can't remember if I got a good image of it earlier when I was showing you guys the before stuff. There we go. Okay. Let's see. Maybe a little bit, huh? I doubt it's ever been cleaned since it was made. Right, I'll try to buff this part out a little bit. It's a little bit scary to hold. Oh, did I get myself? Oh shit, I just got myself. Damn it. Still sharp. Slightly, dang. Yeah, see, got myself. Should probably clean that. I'm gonna go clean this up a little bit. Be right back. All right, I'm back. It's small, so it's probably gonna bleed a little bit, but it's okay. So, all right, what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna see if I can't buff this side of the blade out a little bit more. All right, so we're just gonna, bleeding a little bit more than I expected. Shoot. It's okay. All right, so we got here. So this is the side that had more scratches and scuffs, I think. Actually made an improvement already, so all right, let's just continue. Right. You gotta be super, super, super careful and mindful of the edge there at all times. I don't know if swirls are okay, but whatever. I'm enjoying this. Oh yeah, it's still bleeding. Shoot. I was trying to find the band-aids. I don't know where they are right now. That was close. Okay. Not putting too much pressure on there, but enough, I think. I hope I don't get permanent stains. My wife would be all, "What did you do today?" Alright, let's see here. Looking pretty good. Yeah, this side is really, really nice. This side, nice, but not really nice. So, I'll keep working it. It's actually kind of almost done. Kind of almost done. It's probably too much, but it's okay. I have a lot. See? We have a lot. Sip of coffee. Man, it's gonna be fun putting all these clips together. So there's some stuff down on this end. I'm trying to buff out some more. I think I showed you earlier, there's like a little, I hope it's not a crack. I just hope it's just how it rusted with it being closed. If that makes any sense. I tried looking at it with the loop, but I'm not quite sure what I'm looking for. Yeah, kind of concentrating on that tip area here. And that's because that's where that mark is. Let's see here. Clean it off a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that right up in here. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm having a hard time seeing too. Let's see. I'm trying to point to it. I can't really feel anything with my nail. But what's odd is it's on both sides, which is kind of strange, right? So let me see here. Oh, yeah. Okay, so it basically lines right up with the scale when it's fully closed. That's probably what it was. Just markings from the scale, some staining over time. So I'll work a little bit more, see if I can buff it out. You guys can see, Warrior shirt. I am a Golden State Warriors fan, thanks to my daughter. Tomorrow's the last game of the season, so we'll see. Oh, what is today's date? Saturday. This is April 8th that I started this, so we'll see. Probably should have said that at the beginning. Dang it. Alright, so I don't want to bore you guys to death, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna stop the video, and I'm just gonna keep working on this side. Okay. All right. I shall be back. Bye bye. Hey guys, I'm back. So I think I might be at a point where I'm pretty much done with the polishing. I do want to make an attempt to clean the tang up a little bit, so let's see what we can do with that. All right, let's see. So this is still the same old piece. I mean, and what I'll do is I'll bust out another alcohol wipe and I'll give it a really good cleaning, and then I'll inspect it and then show you guys the final product and see where we're at. Just to clean this up a little bit here. Yeah, a little bit. There we go. Just want to try to get some of that grunginess off of it. Yeah, I'm actually on call today, so I'm keeping an eye on emails. Got a guy who's not in trouble, but he's struggling a little bit. And there's a chance I might have to go bail him out. So I was hoping to get this done before then. Not bad. It's coming along pretty nice. I need to figure out, see if there's a way I can try just to kind of polish these up a little bit. What's the word I'm looking for? Dull. Yeah, here we go. See what it looks like after I clean it all up, though. Okay. Now, I don't know how to get to this part. So that's the inside there. I'm going to try to get rid of some of that rust. Again, I don't have the tools to take the pin out, so I'm just working with what I have. Cleaned it up okay. Let's see here. I kind of forgot I had coffee next to me too. That's how you know you're in the zone, right? Let's see. Yeah, cleaned up. Cool. Let's see here. This one too. Just trying to be careful so I don't slip. I mean, I've already caught myself once, right? Nice, there it goes. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. I think that might be good, my friends. yeah, I'm liking it. Obviously, it's not going to win any awards for best in show, but you know what? I did something, you know. So, all right, I am going to turn this off. I'm going to bust out an alcohol wipe. I'm going to clean up my hands a bit. I'll give this a really, really good wipe down, and then try to show you the finished product. All right, I shall be back. All right, everybody, so I just finished giving it a good wipe down with an alcohol wipe. Obviously, there's still a little bit of room for improvement, I think, but you know what? I think I might roll with it. I think it cleaned up really nice. You know, I couldn't quite get rid of these little scuffs right here. Got them on both sides. It lined up really well with the scale. So obviously, I mean, I did take some steel wool to the side of the scales a little bit just to kind of try to smooth them out some. It's pretty good. Now I need to figure out a way to tighten the whatchamacallit, the pin. But yeah, I mean, check that out. I think I did pretty good, guys. Let's see if you guys can see that. Ooh, what's up with the edge there? Obviously, the edge needs a lot of work, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, you can see where I don't have quite the right tools to get all the little nooks and crannies, but you know what? This is pretty cool, and I couldn't quite get rid of these little scuffs right up in here. See that right there? Couldn't quite get rid of that, but you know what? Overall, I think I did pretty well. Ooh. Yeah, there's a little bit of damage on a washer here. I don't know if you guys can see it. The pin, maybe not. Yeah, right there. Definitely would need to be replaced, but it's okay. All right, I'm gonna call that good. Next set of videos will be me honing this bad boy. I have a little clip-on magnifier that I can put onto my cell phone so that I can magnify. I'm gonna try to, you know, record the edge so that we can sort of see what see how the bevel develops together. All right, I'm kind of curious how that's gonna work. But yeah, it falls down a lot more now, so it definitely needs to be tightened up. So, all right, that's it, everybody. Hope you have a fantastic day. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.